An overwhelming 85% of the USA has hard water. So if you wrestle with hard water stains, rust, calcium, and lime buildup, your wrestling days are over. The acid-free organic salts in FLITZ Calcium Rust and Lime Remover make short work of even the nastiest buildup. Simply spray on, brush, and rinse with plain water. The water neutralizes the organic salts, and that means fewer harmful chemicals down your drain. But even with all that cleaning power, FLITZ Calcium Rust and Lime Remover is safe for use on tile, fiberglass, stainless steel, brass, copper, enameled surfaces, and more. Now you've got a secret weapon against soap and mineral buildup on glass bath and shower doors. Just spray on and wipe off, and they're like brand new. Strong and effective, even the nastiest caked-on Tarnish can't stand up to FLITZ Calcium Rust and Lime Remover. Made in the USA and 100% guaranteed, add FLITZ Calcium Rust and Lime Remover to your cleaning arsenal today. Don't just clean it, FLITZ it.